I'm Dr. Kaye, and I practice general dentistry in New York City. I am passionate about digital dentistry. Dr. Goldstein and I have put together this case in Dentistry Today where we emphasize how we use digital dentistry in our day-to-day practice. I feel this topic is very relevant to all dentists today because digital is fast becoming the de facto standard in how we practice. We use it in planning of the case, we use it in the workflow and how we execute, and in particular, how we communicate with our lab. The dentist-lab communication is really invaluable when you're using digital. We feel this case is very interesting because we've restored central incisors many times, and we all know the challenges with form, function, aesthetics, and so on, and more importantly, patient expectations. So we have shown the restoration of two endodontically treated central incisors, and we hope you'll enjoy this article as much as we did in putting it together, and I hope that it demystifies digital dentistry for you. It's a different way of practicing, but just like all the technology we're using that's made our lives easier, digital dentistry has done the same for us. Thank you.